Hello aspirants, welcome to KK Matchuba, Learn with Kiran sir. Let's start with the topic of vector algebra. We will cover the questions KCET previous year questions of the year 2020. So we are starting up with vector algebra. In continuation, I will cover all the concepts. So this video surely will be helpful for the coming KCET examinations. So go through this video till the end. So let's begin. So look at this question now. If vector A and vector B are unit vectors and theta is the angle between vector A and B, then sin theta by 2 is. So here are the options. In order to find what is the sin theta by 2. So what is that we need to know? So we should know that mod of A minus B whole square is nothing but mod of A square plus mod of B square minus 2 times of A dot B. So this is 1 because it is a unit vector, this is 1, so it is 2 minus 2 times of A dot B. So therefore if you take 2 as a common, 1 minus A dot B, if you apply the definition of it, magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta, again magnitude of A, magnitude of B is 1, so therefore we end up with 1 minus cos theta. So we need 1 minus cos theta because 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. So what happens? 2 sin square theta by 2. So therefore it is 4 sin square theta by 2. So that is equal to mod of A minus B whole square. Therefore I can easily say that what is sin theta by 2? So sin theta by 2 is mod of A minus B divided by 2. Got it? So hope you understood. Simple and easy to solve it. So go through this step by step solution of 2020 first question of vector algebra. So therefore what is the solution for this? The solution for this is mod of A minus B divided by 2. So this is the answer for question number 1. So let's go with question number 2. So this is the next question of 2020. The two vectors I plus j plus k and I plus 3j plus 5k represent the two sides AB vector and AC vector respectively of a triangle ABC. You need to find out the length of the median through A. Got it? So the two vectors are given I plus j plus k and I plus 3j plus 5k. So let's observe it. Let's observe it. So draw the triangle vector AB, vector BC, vector AC. So this is the median through point A, right? So we know that a vector AB is given and vector BC, vector AB is given and vector AC is given. So let us observe the question. So vector AB is I plus j plus k. So let us note down here I plus j plus k, and the next vector is AC vector is given 3i I plus 3j plus 5k. AC vector is given I plus 3j plus 5k. Okay, and now we need to find out what is the vector AD. In order to find vector AD, we know what is AB and we need to know what is BD vector. BD vector के लिए you should find out what is BC vector. BC vector, if you got it, you can easily get it. Using your law of triangle, you can apply it easily. So what does it say? AB vector plus BC vector is equal to AC vector. Okay. Simple ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So therefore what is BC vector? BC vector is nothing but AC vector minus AB vector. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ I minus I is 0, 0 I cap, 3 minus 1 is 2j cap, 5 minus 1 is 4k cap. So ಇದು BC vector. If this is BC vector, what is BD vector? BD vector will be half of it, half of BC vector. So what will you get? So we will get as j cap plus 2k cap. Clear? BD vector. Therefore, what is AD vector? So AD vector will be AB vector plus BD vectors. Ivedana add ಮಾಡಿ AB vector plus BD. So j plus j is 2j and k plus 2k is 3k. So this is AD vector. If this is AD vector, I need its length magnitude. What is the magnitude of AD? The magnitude of AD ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ under root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. So that is root 14. Simple. Draw the triangle according to the given information. We know what is the length of median through point A. Note down. This is the second question of 2020. Easily one can observe it. Fine. So now let's go for one more question of vector algebra. So that is 2020. If magnitude of vector A cross B whole square plus magnitude of A dot B whole square is equal to 144 and magnitude of A vector is 6, what is the magnitude of B vector? Simple. You should know one standard result, very important standard result. So what is that? Magnitude of vector A cross B whole square plus magnitude of A dot B whole square is nothing but magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square. Simple. Easily we can prove this, right? So now what is given? This is given as 144. Look at the question. Look at the question once again. So this is given as 144. Magnitude of A is given as a 6. So 6 andre enagutte 36 agutte 6 square magnitude of B square. Therefore, tell me what is magnitude of B square. 144 divided by 36. Divide and tell me the answer. So what will you get? You divide it. Normally you divide it. Take the square root on both the sides. So 12 divided by 6, which is 2. Correct? 14. 144 it is. So 12 square is 144. 6 square is 36. 6 ones are 6 twos are. So magnitude of B is 2. So note down. It's very simple and easily one can get the solutions of vector algebra. See that in 2020, 3 questions has been asked from the topic vector algebra. So go through these kind of questions. Surely same pattern of questions will be asked in this coming examination also. Thank you students. Keep learning, keep sharing the knowledge.